friends, welcome back to the Francesca and Disorder. So before we get into this video, first things first, disclaimer: if I'm looking ashy, it's because I have to look ashy. I've had a shower, I'm just fresh out of the shower, which is why my eyelashes look a bit wet as well. But yeah, I'm just going to test the thing that I unboxed the other day. It's been days now since I unboxed the thing, and I'm just going to test it now. And one of the precautions, or one of the directions, is just not to use anything, not to put anything on your body, no products on your body. So obviously I just couldn't moisturize. I could have moisturized my face though, but ashy is ashy. One ashy, all ashy. That's why we're ashy. And then what else am I going to address before we go on? I have my satin bonnet on, and I have my bathrobe on because, like I said, I'm straight out the shower and I just want to get this thing done. What? So my husband is going to be the he's going to take responsibility because
The servant.
what?
The servant.
I don't know how to feel about that. I don't know how to feel about that, but yeah, he's going to do it for me. Only reason he's doing it for me is because I'm not going to take responsibility if anything goes wrong. So it's in his hands. If you disfigure me, you're gonna have to pay for my plastic surgery. Oh my gosh, it's been 2 minutes of not saying anything. If you've just bumped in, stop! You're distracting me.
Sorry, I'm just getting ready.
So annoying, man. So if you've just bumped into me for the first time, please consider being a friend by subscribing. Actually, I've made an effort. I've put lip gloss on, so so yeah, consider being a friend by subscribing. Okay, the real of the real is that we're going to test this thing, and I haven't put any moisturizers on. Said that already. I've still been shaving all sorts of hairs. Get your mind out the gutters. I've still been saving all sorts of hairs on my body. Think what you think out of think what you think of that. Also, I don't think I'm going to shave my entire leg. Oh, by the way, did you think I was going to shave my armpit on camera? No. I don't think I'm going to shave my entire leg because I'm just going to do a patch test just for what do you call it? Review sake or demonstration sake. That's all I'm going to do, or that's all I plan to do. Another thing, I'm not going to give an update about how it's going. The only part of my body that I'm really going to, well, I say that, but the main I might this might change. This might change. My mind on this might change because I don't know. I was going to say I'm not going to give an 8-week update because I'm supposed to use it every week for 8 weeks to see the results, but the part of my body that I'm going to actually use it for 8 weeks and try and see results is my underarms, which I'm not going to put on the internet. I'm sorry. It's nothing, but it's not me that's going to do. If you want to watch underarms, someone did it so perfectly, and her underarms are very, very pretty that I love to see. Lydia Dinga's video is the video to go and see underarm waxing. I was like, oh my god. I'm going to follow up with the thing on the point of saying all this is that I like the hair on my body, on the other parts of my body. The only hairs I don't like on my body are pubic hairs. As strange as that may seem, how do you like some hairs and you don't like some? But I really, really like the hairs on my legs and the hairs on my hands. So I'm not aiming to be hairless. That's not my aim. I only don't like hair on my body if I'm going to be showing it. But if I'm not going to be showing it, then I don't like it. But my pubic hairs, whether or not I'm showing it, I don't like them. I really don't like them. I can't deal with pubic hairs, but I can deal with other hairs. Maybe that's strange. Maybe that's weird. But yeah, So yeah, I'm not going to do any updates. I'm only going to demonstrate how it works today, and that will be all. So just if you would like to see how the thing works, keep on watching after all of this very long talk. I'm gonna say goodbye and thank you for coming to my TED talk. Now let's do the thing. Let's. I'll stop talking now. I know you like to see my face more, but you don't have to say it. I already said it. I know you do. I'll stop talking now and, show the show. Show working. I'm ready. What does it say?